From the very first glance, this motorhome doesn't feel like something that belongs on the road. It looks like it escaped from a futuristic showroom, or maybe from the garage of someone who lives 10 years ahead of everyone else. The sculpted white bodywork, the deep black aerodynamic shell, the warm orange glow tracing its curves, everything about this machine feels alive. It has that Cobra-inspired stance, low, wide, and powerful, and the layered windows and oval cutouts make it look like a moving piece of modern architecture. 8 wheels ground the entire structure like a luxury hypercar stretched into a rolling mansion. And as it glides forward, the orange underglow reflects onto the wet road, making it seem almost weightless. But its exterior is only the beginning. Because once the door slides open, the entire atmosphere shifts from aggressive futurism to sculpted luxury. Inside, we step directly into the bedroom first, a compact but boldly artistic space. The walls aren't just walls, they wrap around you like a smooth cocoon, sculpted in soft off-white curves that feel warm and protective. A black glass spine runs straight through the center, glowing gently with warm amber light from behind the panel. It mirrors the exterior's wave-like pattern, giving the room a perfect sense of continuity. The bed itself floats on a matte black ring platform. It's futuristic without being impractical. A soft off-white mattress sits at the center, surrounded by a thin warm orange halo light that hovers just above the charcoal flooring. A tiny oval porthole window brings in a soft slice of daylight, holding a single black vase with an orange flower, minimal, sculptural, and elegant. Above everything, the ceiling curves upward into an inverted dome with layers of amber glow. The space is compact. We move into the dressing area next, and the aesthetic continues seamlessly. The off-white walls shift into elongated black glass wardrobe modules, shaped like the same ovals you saw cut into the exterior. Behind the glass, soft orange light diffuses like a warm sunset. The wardrobes slide open with matte black panels revealing neatly arranged clothes under a gentle uplight. A floating black vanity shelf sits against one wall with an oval mirror glowing softly around its edges. There is no clutter, no unnecessary detail. Everything has a purpose. The tiny window strip at the top brings in just enough light to keep the warm ambience intact. The charcoal flooring picks up the amber reflections, making the room feel cohesive and perfectly integrated. Stepping ahead, we reach the kitchen, a small but impressively aerodynamic space. The cabinetry forms a smooth continuous arc in pearl white, with deep black glass accents shaping the upper panels. The countertop follows a compact kidney-shaped curve, separating the round sink from the induction cooktop in a way that feels intuitive. Warm orange lighting flows subtly under the counter edge, adding depth without overpowering the room. A black microwave rests inside a curved cabinet above, blending naturally into the design. A mini dining ledge extends from the counter, paired with 2 compact black stools. On the ledge sits a teapot, a couple of cups, and a small flower vase, the perfect hint of life inside this sculptural environment. It's a kitchen built for efficiency, but presented with the same artistry as the exterior. Then the lounge opens up, a compact but atmospheric cocoon. Off-white sculpted walls fold inward like the interior of a shell, with embedded black glass bands glowing softly around the room. The seating is tiered and compact, made from matte charcoal upholstery with soft beige cushions arranged neatly. The coffee table in front is shaped like an irregular oval, topped with a vase and small decor piece. A narrow horizontal window sits high on the wall, following the same oval cutout language as the exterior. Behind the seating area, a compact staircase floats upward with orange LED lighting beneath each step, subtle, warm, and futuristic. The charcoal flooring gives just enough shine to catch the orange reflections without feeling glossy. It's warm, cocoon-like, and visually connected to every design cue of the motorhome. The executive office continues that sculptural feel. The off-white panels curve around the space and converge into a large black glass wave running across the back wall. Behind it, warm orange LEDs add depth and warmth. A floating curved desk in satin black sits in the center, complete with chrome edge detailing, a laptop, a notebook, and a small vase. The chair behind it is charcoal leather, ergonomic, and shaped with a subtle curve. A tiny oval window strip offers just a hint of outside light. Even here, the ceiling has a layered glow that makes the workspace feel premium. It's compact, fluid, and surprisingly functional for a moving vehicle. Then we enter the bathroom, a small but surprisingly dramatic room. Satin white walls frame a central black glass spine, glowing softly with orange ambient light. The floating vanity shelf in matte black holds a minimalist oval mirror outlined with warm illumination. The curved shower pod, finished in tinted black glass, glows faintly at the edges with amber light. The commode sits neatly inside a softly curved alcove. Charcoal flooring picks up the warm tones from above, and the dome-shaped ceiling diffuses light perfectly. It's compact, but it feels like a miniature luxury spa. Speaking of spa, the next area is the mini pool zone. The pool is sunken into the floor, shaped like an organic amoeba and finished in dark stone with a gentle orange underglow beneath the waterline. The walls curve inward like smooth shells, with black glass accent bands circling the perimeter. A compact side ledge holds rolled towels and a candle, giving the space a serene feel. The ceiling above stretches into an elongated oval recess with layered amber light. It's calm, soothing, and organically tied to the motorhome's flowing geometry. Next is the gym, compact but impressively realistic. Off-white walls blend with matte black sections, while a thin orange LED strip highlights the upper contour. A treadmill and stationary bike sit side by side, crafted in silver-black finishes like real gym machines. A dumbbell rack with chrome weights rests beside a matte black niche glowing softly behind it. The flooring is matte charcoal, designed for grip and realism. The space feels tight but fully functional, perfect for keeping active on long journeys. Finally, we reach the cockpit, a futuristic forward arc command deck. The matte black dashboard stretches horizontally with an off-white upper arc running above it. A soft orange LED line cuts through the design. The steering wheel is satin black with chrome accents, centered perfectly. A crisp digital display fits into a smooth black glass cluster. Two off-white leather pilot seats sit symmetrically behind the wheel, highlighted with thin black piping. A narrow vertical windshield strip frames the road ahead, matching the exterior's shape. The ceiling above glows with a soft warm diffusion. The cockpit feels compact, balanced, and undeniably futuristic. Now, talking pricing, a motorhome of this scale, complexity, and sculptural engineering would easily enter the $5 million to $10 million conceptual category. Between the Art Deco hypercar inspiration, the multi-zone interior, and the sculpted exterior, this isn't just transportation. It's a moving statement. So the real question is, if you had the chance to travel inside a futuristic masterpiece like this, would you take it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable luxury motorhomes.